Guys, today in this video gonna to show you to open Magnifier in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to open Magnifier in Windows 10 PC, so firstly click on Start. After scroll down, the hello option Windows S and SS. After click on Magnifier. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to open Magnifier in Windows 10, firstly open Start. After scroll down, click on Windows S and SS, and here Magnifier click on. That is. So that guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.